uno, dos, tres, cuadros, and you probably lost count of the number of types after that. But I promise you this is the last one. Right now, we are going to discuss the last type of equation, one that has two radicals containing quadratic expressions such that there are common terms in both. Let's start. In the given equation, you can easily find the common part, x squared minus 3x. Let it be equal to y and replace it in the equation. Now, what you have is nothing but a radical equation of the second type, and we have learned how to deal with it in a previous lesson. So I believe you know the rest. Take the square on both sides of the equation and apply this formula on the left hand side. Here, a is square root y plus 36 and b is square root y plus 9. So expand it accordingly. This is what you get afterward. Now, the squares will be cancelled with the square roots, while 3 squared becomes 9. Add the like terms next. Y plus y is 2y and 36 plus 9 is 45. Now for isolating the radical term, we shift 2y plus 45 to the right side and subtract 9 with 45 to get minus 36. Also, we can take negative 2 common from here so that it can be cancelled out with this negative 2. Hold on, just take a moment to appreciate how we have now reduced the equation to the first type of radical equations. That's great, because this type is the simplest to solve. Just take the square on both sides of the equation. On the right side, we will apply the formula for expansion to get y squared plus 36y plus 324. While on the left side, the square gets cancelled with the square root. Then shift all the terms to the left side, leaving nothing but 0. Next, yes, simplification. A lot of cancellation. In fact, in the end, we are left with 9y equal to 0. Now, whatever value we get at this stage should be substituted back to the equation that came into existence during supposition. Since y is equal to 0, the quadratic equation becomes easier to solve. Simply take x common by leaving x minus 3 as another factor and equate both to 0. Finally, we get two roots of the given equation, 0 and 3, which you can verify yourself. Here comes the solution, and that's it. And just like that, we have reached the end of this chapter. What a journey it has been! This chapter, with all the different types of quadratic equations, taught us many useful things. However, like they say, everything has an end. So it's time to say our goodbyes. Hope to meet you in the future with a new topic. Now I highly suggest you to get on a quad bike and get away quickly before I come up with another type.